Okay, so for this problem, we have to assume that x is normally distributed with a mean of 10 and standard deviation of 5. We're going to determine the following. The probability that x is less than 12, greater than 9, between 6 and 14, between 2 and 4, and between negative 2 and 8. So to solve this, for the first one, that would be equal to the probability that the random variable z is less than 12 minus 10 over 5. So that would be the probability that the random variable z is less than 2 over 5 is 0.4. So for a phi of 0.4, so to the left, take note that the mean is the mean is 10 and the standard deviation is 5. The mean is 10, the standard deviation is 5. We're looking for less than 12. So x is less than 12. So mean is 10, standard deviation is 5. So it would be 0.6554. Let's do that for the other problems. Greater than 9, so that would be the probability that z is greater than 9. So it would be 9 minus 10 over 5. So that would be p of z greater than 9 minus 10 is negative 1 over 5, so negative 0.2. So that would be 1 minus phi of negative 0.2. While for this one, it would be the probability that, so we have 6 minus 10 over 5, z 14 minus 10 over 5. So that would be the probability that, so 6 minus 10 is negative 4, so this is negative 0.8, and then 14 minus 10 is 4 over 5 is 0.8. So this would be equal to phi of 0.8 minus phi of negative 0.8. Then we can evaluate that. For this one, 2 and 4, so that would be 2 minus 10 over 5, 4 minus 10 over 5. So that would be the probability that z is in between. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. Negative 8 over 5 is negative 1.6. And then 4 minus 10 is negative 6. So that's negative 1.2. So this would be phi of the upper side, negative 1.2, minus phi of negative 1.6. While for this one, phi of negative 2 minus 10 over 5, 8 minus 10 over 5. So that would be P of negative 12 over 5 is negative 2.4. 8 minus 10 is negative 2. So this is negative 0.4. So this is phi of 0.4 minus phi of negative 2.4. So we try to edit these values. To get the probabilities. So for the second one, it is to the right of 9, in between 6 and 14, between 6 and 14, between 2 and 4, and between negative 2 and 8. So take note that this is for the probability distribution with mean of 10 and standard deviation 5. So 10 and 5. So for greater than 9, it's 0.5793, between 6 and 14, 0.5763, between 2 and 4, 0.0603, and lastly 0.4125. What has the highest probability? It's less than 12, and the lowest is in between 2 and 4, which is quite far from the mean.